Hi everyone, I am Yogadharani, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering at SNS College of Engineering. Today we are going to see about overviews and motivations. Motivations up to 20 motivations. And then first overview and motivation one is it is an ever-growing set of devices able to be directly connected to the internet and is leading to a new ambitious computing paradigm. Internet's development and its use has experienced significant growth in the past 4 decades and evolving from a network of a few hundred hosts to a platform capable of linking billions of entities globally. With this social media, it intuitively and effectively connects all kind of people to people and to virtual communities. And then overview and motivation towards the next evolution is to connect all things and objects have embedded wireless or wired connectivity to control system that supports data connections, data analysis, decision making, and remote, that is actuation. Things include but are not limited to machinery, home applications, appliances, vehicles, individuals, persons, pigs, cattle, animals, habitat occupants, as well as enterprises. Interactions are achieved utilizing a possible different networks, that is computerized devices of various functions, form factors, size and capabilities such as iPads, smartphones, monitoring, sensors and tags. And motivation 3 is the new paradigm seeks to enhance the traditional internet to a smart IoT created around intelligent interconnection of diverse objects in the physical world. In IoT, commonly deployed devices and objects contain an embedded devices or a microprocessor that can be accessed by some communication mechanisms, typically utilizing wireless links. IoT aims to closing the gap between objects and the material world, the things and their logical representations in communication system. It is perceived by proponents as the generation network of the internet. And then motivation 4, it has 2 attributes. First one, internet application, then it is dealing with the things information. The things are variously known as objects, device, end nodes, remote sensors, to list just a few commonly used terms. Then motivation 5 is IoT generally utilizes low-cost information gathering and disseminations versus devices such as sensors, tags, actuators that facilitates fast-paced interaction in any place at any time among objects themselves and with the people. It's a new generation information network that enables seamless and continuous M2M and human-to-machine communication. And motivation 6 is next goal is to be able to have the thing provide back appropriate application specific telemetry, and intermediary next step is to provide a web-based interface to the thing, especially when human access is needed. The final step is to permit actuation by the thing, that is to cause a function or functions to take place. Certain things are stationary, such as an appliance in a home. Other things may be in a motion, such as car or a curtain, or even within the curtain. It is a supply chain environment. And then motivation 7 is the things information is typically provided by the unique identification, that is UID and EPC, and the information is stored in RFID electronic tag, and the information is uploaded by RFID reader. In fact, UID and RFID has been mandated by the Department of Defense. RFID and EPC were also mandated by Walmart to all their supplies as per January 1, 2006, and many other commercial establishments have followed suit since then. And then few smart cards will also play an important role in IoT, typically incorporate microprocessor and storage. And then motivation 8 is the mid-range application file devices with embedded intelligence and embedded device wireless capabilities to perform various of data gathering and possible control functions. In biomedical sensor, home appliance and power management and industrial control. Then motivation 9 is for sensors employed in IoT. Sensors approaches used in wireless sensor networks And motivation 10 is to establish a support pervasive connection between objects and data collection and management centers of the network core and cloud. And also IoT is the concept of ambient intelligence. Example, vision where environment becomes smart, friendly, context aware to many type of human needs. And the motivation 11 is used for it eliminate time and space isolation between geographical space and virtual space, forming where proponents label as smart geographical space and creating new human to environment relationship. And then motivation 12 so here in this environment, in this H2, it stands for human to human communication, and then machine to machine communication, then machine in human communication. Basically it incorporates with the human to machine communication. And then motivation 12 is M to M communication between two to more entities. Communication between remotely deployed devices with the specific roles and requiring little or more human invention. And then MTM uses typically connect to the application server via a mobile network. And then motivation 13 is the mid of 2000 using RFID transponders. Your display sensors are able to provide real-world intelligence and goal-oriented collaboration of distributed smart tablets via local interconnections through wireless LAN, WAN, wireless networks such as outer layer communication apparatus of IoT. IoT covers a diverse range of technologies. From this video, we see nearly 13 motivations and overview of IoT. In next video, we'll see about IoT framework. Thank you.